So what I want you to do is, this is a guy called J-Hope from BTS, and see if you could dance like, wait, hold on. This guy, ready here, right here. See if you can dance like him. No? Here, try it. Wow, this is really embarrassing. Oh my god. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup.
My English is not very good.
That's okay. Well, we want to see if you've ever seen this before. Do you know BTS?
No.
Okay, cool. So
Remember that in New York?
no, this is not in New York. This is in I don't know where it is actually. We want to see if people can try to do that. Do you think you could do that?
You want to see me do that?
Yeah.
No.
You can't
I
do
don't
that?
know how
Like,
to dance.
you don't know how to dance at all? Something like that?
You can.
Can you?
She likes
No?
to dance. She likes.
You like to dance? Do you want to try? No? Okay.
I'm like a piece of food. I'm sorry.
Alright. He like dances in a very interesting way, and we want to see if people can, like, what people think about that dancing, and if they think they could do it, they want to try. But yeah, you know, so it's kind of like chicken dancing a little bit.
Part of that song is like from a middle school song.
Yes. So he actually kind of like brought the trend back a little bit of this chicken dance. We're trying to see if people can do it or think they can do it. You don't want to do that?
About myself.
Well, what'd you think of his dance? Oh,
I mean-
thank you.
It was cool.
Yeah. Basically, do this.
No. No sei.
What's he saying?
I think it's...
Oh, okay.
No.
He didn't want to.
Oh, okay. Thank you. It's a really famous dance. It's by this guy, J-Hope. Have you seen this before? It's like BTS. Do you know BTS? It's called Chicken Noodle Soup Dance.
No te caigas nomás.
So hold on. This guy. So we're seeing if people can do this dance. Look.
You can.
Bien,
Daniel. Thank you.
Do you want to try? Do any? It doesn't have to be good. It could be really bad.
Tiene que ser malo.
Es que el zapato resbala.
Suave.
¿Cómo lo vas a hacer suave? Dime. Ahí, venga, ven.
Dale.
Es que... Tiene que darle.
5 segundos.
Mi zapato. Pero suave, tú no te vas a
Suave, no te va a caer.
Okay.
Puede ser que lo haga, no que lo haga.
Yeah, you could just. It looks like he's just stepping. He's not like.
Eso es fácil, Rani. El problema es que me voy a caer.
Whoa! Wow! You can dance. Holy cow!
Vamos.
Do it.
¡Halo! Eso nada más es chile. No, es que no. Mira. El problema es lo Ven, yo te lo agarro.
Daniel, dame una coquilla.
Déjame.
Nervios.
El problema es nada más es chile. La mano el problema.
Yeah, like that. Right.
Y después tú quieres darle un beso.
Dale,
You got it.
Dale.
How much can you do that for?
Y después tú quieres darle un beso a tu
Dale a la cámara.
Ready? Yeah. Go for it, man.
El otro tiene la cosa.
Era más fácil.
Mira,
Try the rest of it?
el otro que entra entre los brazos.
Ese es más fácil, pero te queda más bien porque tiene todo.
Dale, dale.
Dale.
¿Cómo voy?
¿Cómo lo abres?
Mira, eso fue lo que me gustó.
Así, ¿verdad?
Dale.
Dale, dale. Repítelo, repítelo. Dale.
Dale, que estamos gastando el tiempo, rápido.
Espérate.
Wow. Wow. Dude, holy crap. Good, man. Nice. Where you guys from?
Dominican.
Oh, sweet.
Mira, ya tú sabes, te
Oye,
vamos a llamar para que
I'm